Hey everyone, and welcome back to our latest explainer. I am your host, and today we're unpacking something that's honestly a total game changer for personal healthcare. If you've ever felt like just another number stuck in the traditional medical system, and let's be real, most of us have, then this is going to be right up your alley. Today, we're breaking down the concierge medicine model at Elevate Health Group, which is this incredibly premium practice out in Southern California. We're using the info straight from their practice to figure out exactly how this model literally flips traditional healthcare totally on its head. Let me just start by throwing a question your way. What if your doctor was actually available to you 24/7? Just imagine, for a second, completely escaping those agonizing wait times, the endless robotic phone trees, and those super rushed in and out 15-minute appointments that pretty much define standard healthcare these days. Now picture having a medical professional who genuinely knows you, actually has time for you, and is literally just a text or call away. That right there is the core promise of concierge medicine.
Okay, let's dive into this and look at the exact roadmap of what we're going to cover today to demystify this premium healthcare model. First up, the concierge medicine difference. 2, we'll look at their premium services and diagnostics. 3, membership tiers explained. 4, some real patient success stories. And finally, number 5, their accessible Southern California locations.
All right, moving right along to Section 1, the concierge medicine difference. We're talking proactive versus reactive care. And this brilliantly illustrates the painful reality of your typical clinic versus Elevate's patient-first model. Standard healthcare is just so inherently reactive, right? You get sick, you wait forever for an appointment, and then boom, it's a rushed visit. Elevate Concierge, on the other hand, is all about being proactive. They're laser-focused on stopping health issues before they even pop up, offering same-day or next business day access. But the biggest thing? Unhurried appointments. Your physician actually takes the time to understand your unique personal health goals, which is absolutely crucial for your long-term longevity. To really grasp the quality of care we're talking about here, you have to look at the expertise driving it. 15 plus years. That number represents the deep experience of Dr. Narbatov Masian. He's a UCLA-educated, board-certified internal medicine physician. On top of that, he's a distinguished fellow of the American College of Physicians and an adjunct clinical assistant professor over at the USC Keck School of Medicine. So you're not just getting faster access, you're getting unprecedented access to a truly elite medical mind. And hey, that expertise translates directly into tangible results. Over 1,400. That's the massive number of verified 5-star reviews Elevate Health Group has racked up across their locations. They proudly boast a 100% patient satisfaction rate. I mean, in today's medical landscape, numbers like that are virtually unheard of. It absolutely cements their credibility, for sure. Moving to Section 2, premium services and diagnostics. Or, as I like to think of it, holistic health all under one roof. Building on that whole proactive concept, Elevate brings a massive array of services together in one place. They're not just there to treat a random cold. They cover proactive diagnostics, chronic disease management for things like diabetes or hypertension, specialized therapies like peptides, and, of course, your standard urgent or sick care. It really proves that concierge medicine is this fully holistic approach, hitting nutrition, fitness, mental health, and disease prevention all at once. Now, what's really interesting about this is the sheer caliber of these advanced proactive services. It's next level. We're talking about cutting-edge preventative testing designed to stop health issues right in their tracks. They offer the Gallery cancer screening for early detection, VO2 max testing to gauge your metabolic and cardiovascular fitness, biohormone therapy, medical weight loss, and even in-body composition assessments. This is basically executive-level health optimization, and it's available right inside your doctor's office. Plus, the on-site convenience? A total game changer. Usually you get sent halfway across town to some random lab, right? At Elevate, your blood draws, x-rays, ultrasounds, and rapid COVID and flu tests are all done right there on site. Oh, and here's a massive perk. Members actually get one complimentary IV vitamin drip every single year. The whole idea is just to make high-level care as frictionless as humanly possible. All right, Section 3, membership tiers explained. This is all about investing in your health. Now, before we break down how these 3 tiers logically work, I want to point out something super important. These plans are Health Savings Account or HSA compatible. That makes them a very smart investment.
All the tiers give you core benefits, stuff like same-day appointments, the on-site diagnostics, and an annual executive physical. But as you move up the tiers, the perks escalate to match the exact level of care you're looking for. Tier 1 gets you one P&OE metabolic breath test a year and access to a concierge care coordinator. Jump to Tier 2 and you get 2 breath tests, direct physician contact during standard business hours, plus personalized inpatient care at skilled nursing facilities. But Tier 3? Well, that's where things get really incredible. So the crucial point is the ultimate peace of mind provided by that Tier 3 plan. If you go for Tier 3, you are getting 24/7 direct physician contact. Literally, if you wake up with an urgent question at 2 a.m., you can call, email, or text, and they guarantee a response within 90 minutes. No way you're getting that at a standard clinic. Plus, Tier 3 throws in 2 actual at-home visits per year, mobile blood draws, and expedited specialist access. It's pretty much the absolute pinnacle of personalized healthcare. Next up, Section 4, Real Patient Success Stories. Let's hear the voice of the patient. Let's shift gears and look at the real human impact here. This is a verified review from a patient named Donna over in Glendale. She writes, "Short and to the point, just the way it should be. He is a busy doctor with lots of patients. I pray for him." I love this because it perfectly highlights the precise, super efficient care these doctors provide. Even when the doctors are busy, the concierge model ensures that the time they spend with you is highly effective and focused entirely on your needs.
Then we have Maya, also from Glendale, who says Gaby really listens and is always so thoughtful, compassionate, and wonderful. That right there speaks volumes about the entire staff, not just the head doctors. The nurse practitioners and care coordinators operate with this compassionate, totally unhurried vibe that is just so hard to find in regular healthcare environments nowadays. They actually listen to you. Let's move to and see how this builds to our final patient story from Lynn in Glendale. She says, "My former doctor's office closed and I just had my second visit with Dr. Yermian. I feel like I'm in excellent hands." And honestly, that is the ultimate goal of concierge medicine, right? Reinforcing that deep feeling of absolute safety and trust, knowing you are in excellent hands with their network of trusted professionals. Let's wrap up the specifics with Section 5, Accessible Southern California Locations, finding care right where you need it. If you're in the greater LA area, Elevate Health Group has set up 3 highly accessible clinics. You'll find them in Glendale on North Central Avenue, in Burbank on West Riverside Drive, and in La Cañada on Foothill Boulevard. This geographic footprint makes getting premium care incredibly convenient for folks living all across these communities. Now, all 3 clinics share uniform business hours, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., with a quick closure for lunch from noon to 1. And they are closed on weekends. But remember what we talked about just a minute ago. If you're a Tier 3 concierge member, those weekend and after-hours closures don't apply to your remote access. You are still getting that 24/7 direct physician communication no matter the time on the clock. So if you're tuned in right now and thinking, okay, it is definitely time for a change, getting started is super simple. Step 1, choose your membership tier. And remember, they're HSA compatible. Step 2, book a free consultation, which you can do online or by just calling them at 818-246-8000. Step 3, you meet with the team and get your very own customized wellness plan. Easy as that? I want to leave you guys with one final provocative thought. Are you ready to stop waiting around and start investing proactively in your ultimate health and longevity? Standard healthcare basically just waits for you to get sick. Concierge medicine works every single day to keep you healthy. It is a profound shift, and honestly, the data and patient experiences from Elevate Health Group make a deeply compelling case for taking control of your own medical care. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer today, and here is to your absolute optimal health.